So now let's see how we can work around with high pass filter inside of Corel Draw. So over here you can see that I have this particular image, and in order to apply high pass filter to it, you need to go under effects right here and then should go around over here under sharpen. So once you go around onto sharpen, you can simply go around onto high pass, and you can see that it goes around and takes the like let's say for example the corners right here, and you can see the high pass effect just like this. If I were to go ahead and change around the percentage, let's say for example, you can see that there's transparency, and you can go ahead and change around the radius for the high pass as well to get those edges, as you can see just like this as well. So this is how you can go ahead and apply the high pass, and you can enable and disable it and change around the transparency, as you can see just like this right here. So that is how you can go ahead and then work around with high pass effect inside of Corel Draw. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.